cả nhà. Hey guys, I am Nina Tranley. Welcome to So Sim Yum Kitchen. This is where I prepare food that touches my family soul. It's simple to make and yummy to eat. So, if you are into that, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Today, I am sharing a couple of Vietnamese comfort dishes that can be ready in 20 minutes or less. They are braised shrimp with sweet and sour dipping sauce and ground pork cabbage soup. These two dishes are my go-to comfort food on days I only have 20 minutes or less to cook for my family of 4. They are simple to make from ingredients to cooking process. The braised shrimps are finger looking good thanks to my family ultimate sweet and sour dipping sauce. Many people wonder how I was able to make delicious comfort food in such a short time on weekdays. My secret and credit go to this homemade Vietnamese sweet and sour dipping sauce. Having this ultimate sauce made in advance and available in my refrigerator 24/7 help cut down the prep work on my cookings. Please click on the info link above or the link listed in the description box for the dipping sauce recipe. So we get started on today's comfort food. These are the main ingredients for today's menu. Our main dishes will be braised shrimp with sweet and sour dipping sauce. Here we have about 20 large head-on shrimp in the size of 36 by 40. This sweet and sour dipping sauce is my secret ingredient to many of my Vietnamese comfort dishes. The traditional recipe of this dipping sauce can only stay fresh for about 3 days, and after that it will have a very strong garlic oxidation smell. Since Mr. Pham is a chemist, he modified the original recipe to avoid the oxidation smell problem. As the result, our family's signature dipping sauce is able to stay fresh for a few weeks. Therefore, I always make a big jar like this one to help save at least 10 to 15 minutes in my cooking time. We will accompany the savory shrimp dish with the ground pork cabbage soup. Here we have half a pound of ground pork. If you cannot eat pork, you can use ground turkey or shrimp paste. This is about 1 pound of cabbage. I also add a small carrot for a pop of color, but it is optional for this soup. To garnish these two dishes, we will use green onions and cilantro. Okay guys, let's go wash the vegetable and do some prep work for these two dishes. Wow, look at what we can make in less than 20 minutes for our family. Guys, these two comfort dishes are rice killer food, so cook a big pot of steamed rice, okay? Another joy to eat the braised shrimp dish is to stir a bowl of steamed rice with whatever leftover sauce in the pan. Believe it or not, the shrimp heads are my favorite when eating the braised shrimps. Oh my god, they are finger-licking good. I make the braised shrimp on the sweeter side because my kids like them that way. They also like to eat the braised shrimp on the tender side. Therefore, I only braise the shrimp for about 3 minutes. Same concept for the cabbage soup. I cook the cabbage to the full 5 minutes because my kids want their veggies to be tender. Have fun and good luck making this comfort food, everyone! I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. I would also like to give a shout out to everyone kind comments on my videos. They are very precious and make me smile after reading them. Thank you so much for watching and happy cooking for your loved ones. See you guys next time. Chào cả nhà nha!